Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trade futures on the Binance application. And our first step is to open up Binance. You'd be sent to the home where you simply scroll to the bottom right and you click on futures. Okay guys, and once you click on futures and once you're on futures, this is where you can simply buy, sell, and set your stop loss and your stop market and stuff like that. This is where you also open up your futures account if you don't have one available. You can simply click on open your futures account. You click on beginner. If you're experienced, you click on experienced. You can as well customize your leverage and some other things like that as well. So guys, this is the Binance Futures account. If you click on confirm, you'd be given an opportunity to open a futures account where you can either use your crypto available in your balance to trade, or you can deposit privately here for trading purposes. Okay guys, and once you've opened up an account, the amount of BTC you have, is the amount you simply enter to trade. Your take profit and your stop loss is made available to you here. You can set your take profit and you can set your stop loss as well. If you want to view market movement, you click on this icon right here and you can view where the market is at this point in time. That's BTC against USD. If you can predict the market movements accurately, you'll be able to make some good amount of profits from this endeavor. Okay guys, and that's how you can view market movements. You can also make use of the other features on the Binance Futures. You can make use of the heat map, mock trading. You can view the trading rules, trading fees, trading data, even trading strategies as well. All right, guys, that is how you simply trade futures on the Binance application. Comment down below if you have any question concerning how to go about this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.